This is how to return an Audible book. Let me guess, a family member or friend checked out an audiobook and it won't stop telling you about how it's the greatest thing since Star Wars. So you check it out yourself and it turns out to be the worst thing since the invention of Pittsburgh traffic. I made a video about this like a year ago and I went over a little info about Audible's return policy before the actual tutorial part, but I'll go over that later this go around to save some time for everyone who either understands it or just doesn't care. By the way, this is how to return an audiobook on your mobile device. You cannot directly do this through the mobile app and it has to be done on the Audible site. Step 1, go to Audible's site and log into your account. Step 2, tap on the menu icon. This is the 3 horizontal lines for my fellow visual learners, and then tap the greater than symbol next to your name. Step 3, tap on purchase history. Step 4, find that dreadful book that you want to return and tap on that. And step 5, select return this title and then confirm and you're all set. A few eligibility requirements and a little bit more info on their return policy. This is the blah 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 that I was talking about earlier in the video. You can only return a book up to 365 days from when you purchased it. You can only do this with books you purchased using Audible credits. And there's also a paragraph here that, to my understanding, basically suggests that they can limit how many book returns you're allowed to make. They can change their return policy when and however they want. And if you fail to maintain your membership in good standing, you will not be allowed to return books anymore. But that's how to return a book on Audible in 2024, and it's a little bit more information about their return policy itself. For a general idea of what Audible is though, if you have it and you just want to know like how it works, credits, memberships, and just a walkthrough of the app, I did an excellent video going over all of this, and I'll link that in the description below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far in my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and those are like 10-15 minutes each. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.